Hey guys, today I'm showing you how I created this soft glam glitter eyeshadow look. So keep on watching, let's go ahead and get into it. So to prime my eyes, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Concealer in 16 and set it with the Laura Mercier setting powder in Honey Translucent. Next, I'm using the Rude Cosmetics United Peachy Nudes eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take that first shade and put that in my crease, and then the other shade I'm going to put all over my lids. Quick reminder before we get back into the look, I upload new shorts every Monday and brand new makeup tutorials every Friday. So make sure you subscribe if you want to keep up with all my content. Right here, I decided to take the first shade in the palette and put it on the inner parts of my eyes just to lighten up the look a little bit. So I already put on my lashes and my moisturizer, and now I'm going to use the Everyday Humans Rose From Above Mineral Sunscreen. For primer, I'm using the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. For foundation, I'm using the Juvia's Place Eye Magic Velvety Matte Foundation in Kampala 340. Now I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut to cover the dark spots on my face and neck. To highlight, I'm using the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in Praline, and I'm just putting this all the places where the light will naturally hit my face. While that's sitting, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark to contour my nose as well as bronze other parts of my face. Next, I'm using the Laura Mercier setting powder in Honey Translucent to set where I highlighted at. For my all-over face powder, I'm using the Sephora Micro Smooth powder in 65 Toffee. Now I'm using the first shade from the Juvia's Place Blush Duo Blush Volume 4 palette. For lips, I'm using the NYX Lip Liner and Club Hopper and the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb and Fussy. To set my face, I'm using the Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray. That's it for today's look. I hope you enjoyed this soft glam glitter eyeshadow look that I did. Thanks for watching. And don't forget, new shorts every Monday and new makeup tutorials every Friday. Also, if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share. I'll see you on the next one, and make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.